Have you heard of the Metaverse? It's a new domain where augmented, virtual, and extended reality converge. Picture a digital playground where interactions govern, a place that used to exist only in stories, now edging closer to reality. But what's truly stirring is its potential economic impact. Experts estimate the Metaverse market could exceed $800 billion by 2024. This forecast hints at the emergence of a novel economy that could reshape our social, business, and investment practices. The trailblazers, tech giants like Meta and Microsoft, they're investing heavily in the Metaverse, molding its future and instigating a revolution in our daily lives. This progress has sparked curiosity about individual participation in this upswing. The Metaverse isn't merely a tech novelty, it's a fresh, digital terrain with vast potential for wealth creation. Naturally, you'd ask, how to engage in this budding digital ecosystem? The Metaverse is more than just a tech innovation, it's a new digital landscape that carries immense potential for wealth generation. So the question that arises is, how can I partake in this nascent digital? There are several ways you can invest in the Metaverse, each with its own level of risk and potential. The first is by buying virtual land, akin to real estate investing but in a digital world. These territories can be repurposed into various digital environments. The value of these properties might appreciate over time, real estate trends. Secondly, you can invest in Metaverse-related cryptocurrencies. These currencies are the principal medium of exchange within some platforms. As these platforms grow popular, their cryptocurrency's value might substantially increase. Another promising approach is investing in stocks of Metaverse-developing companies. Names like Meta, previously Facebook, and tech behemoth Microsoft are heavily investing in this virtual reality. Their success might yield substantial returns. Next, consider Metaverse Index tokens. These tokens embody a range of Metaverse investments, aiming to minimize risk and increase exposure to various Metaverse market segments. Lastly, there are Metaverse ETFs. These investment funds track an index linked to the performance of different Metaverse companies. They offer a broad market investment strategy, potentially mitigating certain risks. However, investing is always fraught with risks. The Metaverse, still in its infancy, holds an uncertain future. While the profit prospects are high, losses can be substantial as well. Always remember, each investment method carries its own risks, so thorough research or consultation with a financial advisor is crucial. Before you dive in, let's recap some key points about investing in the Metaverse. This revolutionary digital platform is a blend of augmented, extended, and virtual reality, offering users an unparalleled interaction experience. The potential value of the Metaverse. The Metaverse market is staggering, with predictions reaching as high as $800 billion by 2024. An investor, your choices are vast. You can purchase virtual land, Metaverse-specific cryptocurrencies, or invest in pioneering companies. Another option is to consider Metaverse Index tokens, or ETFs, to balance your portfolio. However, caution is advised. The Metaverse is a rapidly changing and new market with inherent risks. Understanding these risks and investing wisely is key. Leading tech firms like Meta and Microsoft are driving this evolution, but the Metaverse is still in its early stages. This intriguing, uncharted domain is both thrilling and investing carries risks, but with careful investigation and strategizing, it could yield significant returns. Remember, tech giants like Meta and Microsoft are spearheading this digital frontier, but the is still unfolding. This exciting venture is not without its risks, but with due diligence, it could potentially offer significant rewards. The Metaverse is more than just a buzzword. It's a new digital frontier that could reshape our lives and our economies. It combines augmented and virtual reality. With a market predicted to touch $800 billion by 2024, it's enticing. It's young, filled with uncertainties though, so curious but cautious. Who knows, you might find your fortune. Till next time, happy investing.